Woohoo!
How fast we go around this corner.
Well, I don't know. I wouldn't go too fast.
Do you remember this road?
Yeah, we went down here to bring them furs, didn't
Yeah,
we?
we smashed them.
Oh yeah, Henry. Smashed Henry's thumb logging. Poor Henry. Amish don't like me throwing logs with them anymore. Poor Henry got his thumb in the way.
Oh, there's a horse and buggy, Bobby.
Oh boy.
No.
Yeah, that's a horse and buggy. That's a.
Yeah, it is. It's a team of horses with a kid standing on a loaded stump.
Probably Henry's boys.
Two teams, Bob.
Two teams, and they're hauling something. Yeah, they are. I want that team right there. That white pair and the other ones. I don't know. They may not be able to pull as much as Dust and Charlie. Stuff that is. Nasty over here. Yeah, we're clear. Nobody wants to ride around in this crap today.